Good morning. I am gonna open up Wooble. Oh, this is the back. I'm gonna open up Wooble day 6. Let's see what we get. Alright, Wooble day 6. Let's see what we've got. We've got a package with tiny skis. Well, I really don't want to knit crochet tiny skis. These seem really lame. I'm gonna go ahead and open it though, I guess. Alright. They're supposed to look like this. They don't look like skis. They just look like random sticky bits. Stick bits. I don't know. These are really lame. I don't even want to do this. So you get some yellow and black, and that's it. This has been the worst one so far. I'm not going to use it for the skis. I'm just going to save this yarn for something else. I really don't want to make this. Okay, so let's open up day 7. Let's see if it gets any better, because this is lame. This is not fun. This is boring. No, I'm not doing this. I'm gonna open the second one. I'm just gonna put this yarn away for some sort of future project. Well, let's hope that number 7 is better. I am not gonna waste my time making those little fiddly bits to put them on my tree and no one have any idea what they actually are, because they don't look like skis. They just look like random jumble. Okay. Let's do day 7. Okay. This is way more acceptable. It's a smaller baby Cardinal. So it's called Tiny Cardinal. Timmy is so hyper right now. This is way better than those tiny skis. The tiny skis are stupid. I don't like them. They're literally pointless. So I guess we can make a tiny Cardinal. Okay, whichever employee's idea was to make skis, this might be a little harsh, but I think you should be fired. This is the most disappointing Wooble Advent open so far. Like, when you crochet that, if someone picks it up and looks at it, or if I were to turn it into an ornament, no one would have any idea what this is. Like, I could take the yarn, like this same yarn, crochet this into a sphere, and then do a little top and a loop and make a little round ornament and fill it with stuffing, and with the same amount of yarn. And it would be a loads better of an Advent open than this. I'm just saying. Maybe they should hire me, because this was a stupid idea. Okay. Now this one, way better. It's actually cute. This is nothing. Nothing. Even if they just used like the yellow yarn and included that and gave you like a little pattern to make a star, that would be way better than the skis. Okay, now I'm really done. Okay, so in the little Cardinal package, we've got some red yarn. We've got some orange yarn, black yarn, and this is the little card that shows the tiny cardinal, and the pattern location is on the back. They also gave some stuffing. Oh, and these eyes, they didn't use the like safety eyes, it's just yarn, so. This is still loads better than those stupid skis. I'm not gonna get over this. Okay, I'm gonna make this now. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on the Cardinal, the tiny Cardinal. I have the pattern brought up on my computer, but I'm having some strong feelings about day 6. Like, we spent probably $140 on this advent calendar, and for one of the 12 advent gifts to be this is extremely disappointing. Nay, embarrassing. I am embarrassed for the Wooble company thinking that this was acceptable in any way. This brings no one joy. No one. No one. Alright, well, I made it to the point where I need to stuff the Cardinal. So I'm going to tuck that yarn in there and then fill this with the stuffing. Alright, that's probably plenty, honestly. I guess I could put a tiny bit more in. Alright, Cardinal is stuffed. Now I need to do the last few decreases and then close up the bottom. Alright, so now I need to do the beak, which doesn't even include any type of crocheting. It's literally just, let me check which row I'm supposed to do this on. We're on 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, actually I'm gonna come in through the back and pull the yarn through the middle so it kind of hides the end inside of it. And now I'm supposed to do 3 lines. So this will be 1, 2, and 3. Alright. And I guess I should just pull it on through. And I'm gonna cut this end. Oops. Alright, and then I need the orange right here. Alright, and then, okay, so let's do the orange part of the beak, which is super simple. Just one line, literally. Pull it through. And that's the beak. It's so tiny. And I guess we're done with the orange here. Alright, so here is our little tiny cardinal so far. I just crocheted the little wings off camera. And then I think there's a tail that I need to do, but I'm going to go ahead and attach the wings right now. Just so that it'll be assembled. Okay, we are almost done with this little cardinal. I quickly crocheted the little crest for the top of its head and the tail for the bag here. So I'm going to quickly attach these. This shouldn't take long at all. Yeah. So I just need to thread this through and put this on the little head of the little cardinal. It's gonna go here. Okay, cardinal is done. The little tiny cardinal. It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the Christmas tree. Yeah. At least this is better than skis, which you literally would have no idea what they were after crocheting them. Okay, let's put this on the tree.